Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment engaging news. Now, Khopolo reported casting news. Matthew Rantona dropped by scandal. The actor who joined the ETV soap in 2021 will be leaving the show. Rantoma plays Nhlamulo on the show. Hashtag Khopolo reports. Khopolo was, you see, Khopolo and Musa Kaula can never be the same people. Musa Kaula was going to say the guy was chased out of scandal. Bavele bar, hak matorokisi, but ke he's not dramatic like that. Yeah, no, it's sad to hear that he will be going Shemun Nhlamulo. We do not know who will be the caregiver of the children when Nhlamulo leaves and how he's going to exit. Hopefully he does not exit via death or anything like that. His exit is one that will enable him to come back to our screens, more especially on Scandal very soon. Please do like, share, and subscribe.